Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss about terminating and non-terminating decimal expansion. So, exercise 1.4. Your first question is, without actually performing the long division, instead whether following rational numbers will have a terminating decimal expansion or a non-terminating repeating decimal expansion. So in class 9 we have already discussed terminating and non-terminating decimal expansion, but at that time we have solved that by using long division method, but here we have to solve it by without performing actual long division method. So your first question is, (13/3,125), and we have to check whether the fraction is terminating or non-terminating decimal expansion. So here the denominator is 3125, and we have to check the denominator 3125. So 3125, by factorizing 3125, 5 6 are 30, 5 2 are 10, 5 5 are 25. So 3125 we can write 5 to the power 5. So if the denominator is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power n, then the decimal expansion is terminating or otherwise non-terminating repeating. So here 13/3125 means 13/5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 5 we can write 2 to the power 0 into 5 to the power 5. So which is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. So since q is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, therefore decimal expansion is terminating. So that means if the denominator is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, where n and m are non-negative integers, then x as a decimal expansion which terminates. So here q is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, so decimal expansion is terminating. So let's solve one more question. Question number 5. 29/343. So 343, whether 343 is of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m or not. 343. 343 which is not divisible by 3. Maybe divisible by 7. 343 by 7. Yes, we can divide 343 by 7. 49, and the 7 7s are 49. That means 343 can be write 7 cube. So which is not of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m. Since q is not of the form 2 to the power n, 5 to the power m, therefore decimal expansion is non-terminating repeating. So I think you can solve the rest of the problems. There are 10 questions, and out of them 1 and 5 have been already solved. So I think you can solve the rest of the problems. Thank you.